Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a burger. Can you believe I just said that? You know, I don't cook with meat very often, but I just have a hankering. So we're gonna make a big juicy burger. We're gonna try to make it as elegant as possible by using some Brie cheese. We're gonna elevate the burger. So come on, let me show you how we're gonna do it. Right into the ground beef, we're going to add some salt, some Italian seasoning, some breadcrumbs. These are seasoned breadcrumbs, and 1 egg. And we're gonna squish this all together by hand. Adding the egg and the breadcrumb helps it really hold together well, so it's not too loose. Now that this is all mixed together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for a half hour, and it just helps it be easier to work with. We're going to cook some bacon in the air fryer. Now, I've never made bacon in the air fryer before, so this is going to be an experiment. I'm going to mix up a little spread. I have some veganese here. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian herbs and seasoning, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. And I'm just going to mix that up. And I've sliced up some brie that we're going to melt on top of the burger. And now we're going to form 2 hamburger patties. Now we're going to cook the burgers in a little bit of olive oil. Cooking up some mushrooms and a little bit of red wine. Time to add the brie. We're going to put the lid on to give the cheese a chance to melt. Thank you so much for joining me. I can honestly say that was one of the best burgers I've ever had. I hope you try it for yourself. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty by squishing around on all that meat. The Brie cheese really elevates the burger to another level, and who doesn't love bacon, right? And then adding a little red wine to the mushrooms, it's just so perfect. I really hope you try it. Let me know if you do, and I will see you very soon. Bye.